In today's video, I'll show you how you can upload a file in OneDrive and a shared link. So let's get started. So here we are in OneDrive, and from here, you basically need to go here into OneDrive.live.com. And once you're here, is that you want to click here on Create or Upload button right here in the top left, and click on Files, Upload or Folder Upload. You could go for Word document and so on. But in my case, since I would want a file, I'm gonna go for Files. And it would now open up this tab or window right here, and I can choose the file in my storage. So I'm gonna go for this one, for example, and click on Open or Open. And as you can see, it says it's now uploaded. So here it is. And basically from here is that we can see it right here on my files. And then once it's loaded, as you can see, we now have it right here. And now if you would want to share the link for this file so that other people can also access it, you want to click here on the three dots and then click on Share. And from here, you would want to go and set the permission right here, this one, Access. And then you want to make sure that it is not private to those people who you'd want this to be shared. So as you can see right here, you can click here on Start Sharing. And basically, you can go here into Groups and Family, and you could add a group or family right here by going for their Microsoft account or in their email. And you could also go here in the link, so you can click and share a new link and so on. So you can click here on Copy Link. And then when you go into that link, as you can see right here, when I paste that into a new incognito tab, I will now be able to go here into this link and review the file. So yeah, this is basically it on how you'd be able to do this, on how you'd be able to upload a file in OneDrive and share a link. So thank you for watching and see you in the next one.